Today I bought a small jewelry jar from one of my favorite local thrift shops. And I just want to point out they packed it up nicely in this cute little cat gift bag. So that was a little extra touch they put on there. All right, let's see what we can find. This is quite an interesting earring. I hope the match is in here. I bought this because I did see a couple rings in here and a very old vintage watch that caught my eye. This is an interesting ring here. Look at that. Doesn't appear to have any markings. Pendant. Earring. Here's the old watch that I happened to spot in there. Pretty brooch. Oh, another watch. Nice bracelet. Seems to be quite a bit of earrings in here. I hope to find the matches. Oh, another watch. Tweety bird. Oh, here's one of the rings that I happened to spot through the glass. Seems to be gold plated. Skeleton key. Solid steel. This is an earring. We're going to dump out a few. We're going to dump out some things. Oh, yes, I found the match to that other earring. Very cool. A lot of times I notice that these do have the matches in the jewelry jars. Now this is very unique. There's a little man on the spoon. And it is stamped Italy, it looks like, right here. That's a neat piece. Oh, here we have a matching pair of earrings. I've gotten pretty lucky that usually I'm able to find the matches of the earrings. Nice ring. Gold plated. Oh, this might be a mood ring. Very cool. Another watch. Seiko watch. Clip-on earring. Oh, here's the match. Oh, this is adorable. Cute little lovebirds. Let's see here. What else can we find? Wow. Oh, this one's missing a couple rhinestones. We may be able to fix that. It's a very cool Art Deco earring. Oh, I got a match, an earring match here. Stone earrings. Bracelet. little bit of a tangled piece here. Necklace. Oh, another very old watch. Very cool. Earring. Carlos. Oh, by Carlos Santana. Pretty neat. Another ring. Looks like some metal wear on that one. Oh, there's that other Art Deco earring. And this one looks good. So it's just one that's missing a couple stones. Anne Klein watch. This one definitely had a lot of watches. Oh, I have a little bit of, yep, it's gotta turn out. Oh, wow, that is something. This is a brooch. John Aileen, it looks like. That is a very cool piece. Right. This is a pretty ring. Doesn't appear to have any markings inside. A little heart. Little heart. It says Alyssa. We have another ring. This is pretty. And this one says Avon. Don't know what that is. We will have to look that one up. Comment below if you know what this is. This is, oh, we have a, that might be sterling. No markings. Oh, this is shell. This is a shell pendant. I believe this is called wampum. Little eraser. Elgin watch. This is an old necklace. Another watch. Another key. Ooh, very nice. Very fancy. Let's hope we have the match somewhere here. Shoe clip. So, very worn out stretched bracelet. We have a little pair of earrings. May have a marking on the little backing there. We'll have to get a little magnifying glass and check that out. I have the match here. Ooh, very large clasp. And a coin. Connecticut Transit. Good for one zone bus fare. Oh, yay, we have the matching earring. Oh, nope, that's not. I thought those were matching. Not exactly. What? Oh, it's for dual time zones. It says Nevada on it. Other matching. Oh, that's not matching. That's a bead. That's a bead. A pair of earrings here with some semi-precious stones. And these are 925, marked right here. Here's a pendant. This might be marked 925 as well. Yes, this is marked 925. Sterling. Okay, so this was a nice lot. There's a bunch of interesting pieces here. A lot of earring matches. That's always good. This is a stone here. All right. I think we explored everything in the jar, except for this last earring. And we do have the match. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe for more content.